Repair before replace. The smart financial choice for industrial electronic. Replacing costs thousands, but IES repairs save up to 80%. Here are some real examples. IES saved this customer $142,000 for their Yaskawa A1000 drive. Our customers save thousands every day. We repair servo drives, PLCs, control boards, power supplies, and more. At IES, every repair ends with a test. For guaranteed reliability. Reduce costs and downtime with expert repairs.
Industrial Electronic Services Ltd., serving industrial needs since 1992.